Morning, everybody. It's 8:47 on Wednesday, the 27th of April, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 1252, 1252. Okay, Europe and Asia both look a little bit lower, but China had a huge bounce of about 2%, so there's a little bit of a discrepancy there. We were supposed to have retail and wholesale inventories, but I haven't seen them posted yet. But I have seen mortgage applications down yet again, down 8.3% for the week. I don't know exactly, but I'm going to say it's about 12 weeks of continued decline, anywhere from 8% down to 2 or 3%. Earnings from yesterday: Microsoft a beat, Chipotle a beat, Google a miss. Same thing here this morning with Boeing, a miss. Microsoft was kind of interesting. It had closed at 270, and it got down to 259 before the conference call, and then rallied all the way back to 289. This morning's range is 270 to 285. The last is 280, up 10. Um, Chipotle trading 14.89. That's up 50. And the Google, which was the miss, primarily based on YouTube and ad sales, was down pretty hard. It is currently 22.77, down 37. It was 23.90, got all the way down to 22.16 in extended hours. Boeing 160 down 7. Facebook reports tonight after the close. Apple tomorrow. The Facebook is currently trading down about 6, and that's a drop from basically 328 on the high in February down to 175. And a little one, I just point these out just because they're fun on a day like today. Cosmos, COSM. This was a $20 stock. Well, it wasn't exactly a $20 stock. It was a $2 stock that was reversed 1 for 10. The stock closed yesterday at 106, $1.06. Currently trading 280, up $1.77, or 168%. I've looked for news, I can't see any, and the high for it this morning is 293. So pretty interesting. The futures were all over the place. They were up about 400 in the middle of the night. Currently, well, when I came down, they were up 280, up 62 in the Nasdaq, and 25 in the S&P. Then they got to up only about 200 in the Dow, only 20 in Nasdaq, and 12 in the S&P. The last is the Dow looks to be opening at up about 204. So it's trying to stabilize in here somewhere. And let's just see if they print some new numbers here. S&P now up 13 and a half. So that's come back a little off that 12. And NASDAQ up about 41. So we're pretty much all over the place. As far as futures, we have the grains ever so slightly down. We have oil down 96 cents after being up $3 and change yesterday. We have the gold slightly lower, the silver slightly higher. I did talk to Dennis again this morning, and he's concerned about the gold. As I mentioned last night, he took $12 out of the gold on the upside yesterday. It then sold off about $10 and is now, as I said, down about $2.50. He's looking for a low, possibly as low as 1837, which would be a pretty severe drop considering what we've already done this week. Let's see. As I said, S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow giving up a little bit of their gains. We have the dollar up again, 61 cents. Bitcoin and Ethereum both higher, and the bonds up a half a point. Well, we'll have to see how it looks, and don't forget those Facebook earnings after the close. I'll be back later.